Let's see how to fine-tune the EyeSorter checkbox after the system has been trained. In this step, we will define the distance between the evaluation point and the position of the part which will later be sorted out. To do this, we open the Setting Parameter menu, we press one more time, and now here we can see all the separate settings for all three possible results: good, rotated, and bad. I'll show you an example with the good part. Here we have the distance between the evaluation position, the definition of the duration of the sorting, and the duration of the rotation time. By pressing this button, we can define the distance between the evaluation position and the sorting position in millimeters. Once it is set it up by pressing plus or minus, we press OK, and now everything is defined. By pressing this button, you can define the duration of the sorting signal in milliseconds by also pressing plus or minus button. For example, this controls how long a pneumatic ejector releases air to sort out the part. So once we have defined the time, we press OK, and now it is being sorted. And here we can set the duration of the rotated part. Now, once it's defined, we press again OK, and we go back to our main menu where you can start your sorting process. And that's how you fine-tuning the sorting parameters of the EyeSorter checkbox. Follow us for more tutorials on YouTube channel.